In this video, I'll show you how to newsletter on Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do that, first head over to your customers. Make sure that you have customers right here that are subscribed to the email subscription. So once you have done that, you can see that they are subscribed. You can now head over in here on your marketing option on your left sidebar, and in here you can see this option for campaign. What you can do right here is to head over and click on this create campaign, and then click on this Shopify email. And then once you have done that, you can actually see in here a new page wherein you can see your Shopify email option. Now, this is the template branding. So just head over and just choose the actual template that you want to use for this one. So for me, I'll head over and use my logo for this since it's asking for my logo, and then just put in here your store name. So let's name my store, and then just choose the typography that you want to use for this one, as well as the colors that you want incorporated. You can choose which ones you want to use. So once you have done that, click on the save option right here. Now, once you have saved your branding, click on the next option, and then you can see in here some templates that you can choose from. You have in here the new arrivals, product restock, express checkout, newsletter. So choose this newsletter right here, and then click on select. Once you have done that, it will open or load your email. Now in here, you can edit out particular things right here. Just click on this one and edit out the things that you want added. Once you're done editing everything, just head over and click on this send test, and it will send a test email on your actual email right here. So once you have done that, you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because this helps reach more people. See you soon.